O-Bless from Onpassive, lifting up humanity. In today's world, kindness and compassion often seem like a rare commodity. We're so caught up in our own lives, we often overlook the struggles of those around us. But what if I told you that there are still good Samaritans out there, willing to lend a helping hand to those in need? We live in a world where empathy is slowly disappearing. Everyone's in such a rush to get to their next destination that they forget to look around and appreciate the people they're passing by. We're so caught up in our own problems that we forget that there are others out there who are struggling just as much, if not more, than we are. We're so busy staring at our screens that we forget to make eye contact with the person sitting right across from us. And we're so used to hearing about the bad things happening in the world that we've become desensitized to the struggles of those around us. The truth is, we've become so used to being entertained by the negativity in the world that we've forgotten what it's like to be inspired by the good. We've become so accustomed to hearing about the bad apples that we've forgotten about the everyday heroes who are making a difference in their communities. And we've become so busy trying to one-up each other on social media that we've forgotten how to truly connect with the people around us. But amidst all the chaos, there are still people out there who care. There are still people who are willing to go out of their way to help a stranger in need. So let's take a moment to appreciate the small acts of kindness that happen every day. Let's take a moment to appreciate the people who are making a difference in their communities. And let's take a moment to appreciate the impact that one small act of kindness can have on someone's life. That is why in Onpassive we have a program called O-Bless. It is a crowdfunding platform that will make it easy to bless others with any money you might have to help get them over hurdles that have come into their lives. We all know about the other crowdfunding platforms that people often use, but with those platforms, all of the money doesn't get to those who need it, just a percentage of it. But with O-Bless, 100% of the funds will go to the party of concern, and in doing so, will be blessed much more. We at Onpassive are out to truly uplift humanity. I want to encourage you to share your own O-Bless moments in the comments below. Have you ever experienced an act of kindness that touched your heart? Have you ever been the recipient of an unexpected blessing? Share your stories with me, and let's create a community that celebrates kindness and compassion. And if you want to see more inspiring content like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. For more information about Onpassive and O-Bless, please go to the description below. Thanks.